Hi! In front of me is POCO X3 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. Now scroll down to access Privacy section. Over here, tap on Permission Manager and click on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like microphone. Finally, you can select one of your apps and apply the best option for you from the list of available ones. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to set up first one, so when I click and go back, as you can see, Amazon Shopping app just gained access to my device's microphone if I'm using it. But you can always go back, pick any feature and look for an app that you wish to manage. I will go into Camera to access my messages. Now, instead of picking one of those options, tap on See All Messages Permissions and manage all of them only for chosen app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!